after Bitcoin having surged past the $100,000 mark, achieving a historic milestone in cryptocurrency trading. This unprecedented value that is now set new records, reaffirming Bitcoin's dominance in the global cryptocurrency market, as Bitcoin, which has now reached an all-time high of $100,000, marking it as a major milestone that has been reported in the cryptocurrency's history. As the jump in Bitcoin's value is also coming at a time when there is growing optimism amongst the investors there of a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment under the new administration of Donald Trump in the United States of America. Well, Hina is with us right now. Hina, good morning. As far as this jump that is now being seen, this is also coming at a time when there is a market positivity that is being seen of cryptocurrency reaching an all-time high.
Well, that's right. And you know, all of this positive sentiment as far as cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin, is concerned, is emanating from the United States of America. Now, Bitcoin, Amita, has more than doubled in value this year. It is up about 45% in just 1 month. And this has happened since Trump's sweeping election victory in the recently concluded U.S. elections. Now, Donald Trump, as the President of the United States of America, is seen as very pro-cryptocurrency. The kind of people he is picking for his cabinet, the kind of people, who have always been with him during his campaigns, be it Elon Musk and many others, they're all seen as being very pro-cryptocurrency. And that's having a positive impact in the market. As far as Bitcoin is concerned, it has risen above $100,000 for the first time today, as the election of Donald Trump as president spurred the expectations that going forward, once he takes over the charge in the White House, at that time the administration will create a more friendly regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies, and that's fueling this kind of optimism in this market.
Hina, thank you very much for joining in. So the price of a single Bitcoin that rose to 6 figures for the first time, which is an extraordinary level for a 16-year-old cryptocurrency. With that, we head into a very short break. That's a wrap on this